thing I gotta do is get these screws out of here, man. The handlebars are loose. Handlebar loose, but this is not supposed to be here, so I gotta take these out. I'm gonna see the damage because these are not supposed to be here. I'm gonna replace them with the correct parts. So also I got a new brake lever on the way, so I gotta just rebuild some of this handlebar assembly. Let's get back to our Moto Warrior 200 project. Man, parts have came in, made in China. Brought to you by Amazon. But hopefully these parts will get us, get everything handled for us today. I got these clamps for the handlebars. Let me jump in right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Putting these clamps on the handlebar is not that difficult of a repair. I wasn't even gonna make a video, but the reason why I made a video is because it took me a long time to find these clamps on Amazon. So I'm definitely gonna post these in the description if you're looking for them. I also got a brake lever, also courtesy of Amazon. So let's hop straight into it. You see these indentions right here? These clamps from China got these indentions as well. So it zooms, and simple enough. It's just to set where you want the handlebars to be and put them in here. And I'm gonna take out this other bolt on this side. Get the old clamp out of there. All right, so now let's screw these down. And I'm trying to set it to where it might be. It's for a kid, so I can't set it for me. So hopefully this would work. Let's screw them down. That's not going anywhere. All right, that's one task down. All right, now let's look at the brake lever. And I'll see what we got to do. I know we got to take off 2 bolts here and here, size 8. So, all right, let's loosen this one nut, forward nut. Boom, just like that. And now we're gonna take these off right here. No, those are 8mm. Let's take those off. And bracket came off clean. All right, so let's see if we can get this handlebar off here. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. That wasn't fun. I mean, our brake bar. Boom. Might get a file or something. That's too. It's not wide enough for our cable. So, all right, you see, I had to widen it out some. It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. All right, let's get our cable back on, our new brake lever. All right, first thing we're gonna do is gotta make sure all the grooves lined up, and then you can place your cable inside that groove. And I found the easiest way to do this is to pull this brake cable That's fine. You have it right there. And take off this brake lever. Unscrew it. Put that bolt to the side for now. And just see the back side of that. Just put it in like it's supposed to go. And then take that cable. And boom. It's lined up. Only thing you gotta do now, put your bolt through. Get your nut. Just like that. Gotta get a bolt. You know, you want to offset the grooves, that way we won't have no chance of coming out, and tighten it up pretty good. There's also how you can adjust the brake too, but we'll do that in a second. Right now we just want to make sure it works. All right, so let's slide this bad boy on here. Oh damn. Man, I would ride this thing. I might. Forget it, I'm gonna ride it. This is a little kid's thing, but I think I'm gonna ride it. Oh yeah. Oh no. Choke it again. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty fun. But yeah, there you have it. Man, Moto 200. This thing ain't been driven in a while. But hey, we got the handlebars right, we got the brake right. All that right. Let's get it. Everything on there smooth. Let's get it, man. Woo! That's how I do it.